Creating video content without a proper studio or professional equipment? Struggling to pronounce scripts in foreign languages for your international audience? Meet your solution, an AI avatar created from just one photo. No recording needed, speaks any language perfectly, and looks professional every single time. What you're seeing right now isn't real footage of me. This is a digital avatar created from just a single photo. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI avatar using HeyGen. No expensive equipment, no video recording. Let's dive in. HeyGen is an AI-powered video creation platform that's gained massive popularity in 2025. When you first land on their website at heygen.com, you'll see they offer much more than just avatar creation. Let me break down the main features. Number 1, instant avatars. HeyGen provides over 100 pre-made, ready-to-use avatars. These are professional-looking characters you can use immediately without any setup. Number 2, digital twin. This is the premium option where you record yourself on video for 2 to 5 minutes, and HeyGen creates a highly realistic avatar that perfectly mimics your expressions and speaking style. Number 3, photo avatars. This is what we'll focus on today. You can turn any photo into a talking avatar. The free plan allows you to create one photo avatar with some limitations we'll discuss later. To create your own avatar, log into your HeyGen account. If you don't have one, signing up is straightforward. You can use your Google account or email. Navigate to Avatar tab. Here you have 3 options: public avatar, digital twin, and photo avatar. Today I will focus on creating a photo avatar. Now here's an important thing to keep in mind. The photo avatar option is ideal if you want to use just a single photo without going through a video recording process. It's quick, it's simple, and it doesn't require any recording equipment. However, even with a perfect, high-quality photo, the results won't match what you can achieve with HeyGen's digital twin option that I will cover in my next tutorial. Today we're starting with photo avatars because they're accessible to everyone, they're free to test, and they don't require any recording setup. Now for this tutorial, I've decided to use my photo combined with an AI-generated professional studio background. Why? Because this demonstrates one of the main reasons people use avatars in the first place: the lack of a professional recording studio. I used Midjourney to generate a professional studio setup without actually having one. And you can do the same. Take a good selfie with proper lighting, then use AI image generators or even ChatGPT to replace your background with a professional-looking studio, office, or any environment you want. This is exactly the kind of creative problem solving that makes AI avatars so powerful for content creators working from home. In the next window, you can choose your avatar's voice. You can change it later or upload an audio file, so you don't need to focus on this part right now. And that's it. Your avatar is ready to use. Now let's make it actually speak. Click on your avatar photo and choose Create with AI Studio. This will take you to your command center. Here, you can add a script using HeyGen's text-to-speech feature, or upload an audio file if you already have one. You can also edit your avatar image using available tools. Let me show you some of them. Scene is your main workspace, where you control everything about your avatar. Let me break down the key options. First, background control. You can change or completely remove the background from your avatar, upload a custom image, choose a solid color, or go transparent if you want to overlay your avatar on other footage later. Second, framing options. Adjust how your avatar appears on screen. You can zoom in for a close-up, zoom out for a full body shot, or place your avatar inside a circular frame. Great for that picture-in-picture look. Third, voice selection. Choose from over 300 AI voices in 175 languages. Adjust accent, tone, speed, and emotion, or upload your own audio file for custom voiceover. And fourth, this is important, model selection. You have 2 options. Avatar 4 gives you the most realistic movements, expressions, and lip sync. It's powered by their newest AI engine, but it's limited to 10 minutes per month on paid plans. Alternatively, Lip Sync model offers unlimited video generation with solid quality, perfect for more content creation. For most tutorials and talking head videos, Lip Sync works great. Here is a comparison of two models side by side. First, you need to choose and upload your photo. Now here's an important thing to keep in mind. The photo avatar option is ideal if you want to use just a single photo without going through a video recording process. It's quick, it's simple, and it doesn't require any recording equipment. However, even with a perfect, high-quality photo, the results won't match what you can achieve with HeyGen's digital twin option that I will cover in my next tutorial. Next is the AI tab. This is where HeyGen's artificial intelligence supercharges your workflow. First, you have the script writer. Don't know what to say? Just describe your topic or paste a rough outline, and AI generates a complete script for you. Second, motion designer, where you can animate your images and create motion graphics with AI. Third, AI image and video generator. This is huge. You can generate limited number of custom images and video clips directly inside HeyGen without leaving the platform. Next, you have the media tab, where you can upload your own images, videos, and audio files. You can also access stock visuals from Getty or Pexels directly inside the editor. Elements. Add shapes and frames to make your video more dynamic. Everything is drag and drop. Next is the music. Here you can browse HeyGen's audio library and add copyright-free music to your project. Captions. Auto-generate stylized subtitles synced to your script. Choose from more than 20 caption styles, customize fonts, colors, and size. Templates. Start with pre-designed layouts for different use cases: marketing, education, social media. Great for speeding up your workflow. These tools let you build professional videos entirely inside HeyGen. No need for external editing software. On the left side of the screen, you have your script section. You can type in your own text or use a voiceover file like the 11 Labs audio. Just click Upload Audio and select your file. HeyGen's AI detects vocal tone, rhythm, and emotion, then generates facial movements that match perfectly. Now click Generate, and HeyGen creates a video where your avatar's lips, expressions, and even head movements are synchronized with your custom audio. Now let's talk pricing. Here's exactly what you get with the free account. 3 video generations using HeyGen's latest Avatar 4 model. That's their most advanced version. Each video can be up to 30 seconds long, and you can export in 720p resolution. Next thing is the watermark at the bottom and no commercial use rights. The free plan is absolutely perfect for testing HeyGen's capabilities and deciding if it's worth the investment. But if you want to create professional content without watermarks, longer videos, higher resolution, and commercial usage rights, you need to upgrade. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and tells the algorithm that this content is worth sharing. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials, reviews, and honest breakdowns of AI tools for content creators. I'm posting new videos regularly, and my goal is to help you simplify your workflow, save time, and create better content, even if you're just getting started. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.